Flying economy doesn't mean you have to settle for less. Airlines don't advertise it, but there's actually a ton of free stuff you can still get on a plane, if you know the right tricks. Most people miss out, but today, I'll show you exactly how to unlock these hidden freebies. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on travel hacks like this. Let's talk about something airlines don't want you to know. Free drinks. Most airlines will actually give you the whole can of soda or a full bottle of water if you just ask. Thirsty later? Just press the call button or walk to the galley. Refills are free. Flying internationally? You might even get free beer or wine during drink service. And here's a secret. Some airlines have off-menu drinks like sparkling water, extra juice options, and even mixed drinks. Not in the mood for something cold? Here's a secret. There are hot drinks most passengers don't even know about. Forget just coffee and tea. Ask for hot chocolate or decaf coffee, and flight attendants can make it for you fresh. Believe it or not, tomato juice actually tastes better at high altitude. Science says so. Or bring your own tea bags and just ask for hot water. Boom! You've got a free custom drink. Let's be real, those airplane snacks are never enough. But here's the deal. When that snack cart comes around, you don't have to choose just one measly bag of pretzels. Next time, try this. When the flight attendant asks what you'd like, just say, "I love both, please." More often than not, they'll totally hook you up with an extra snack. It's all about being polite and enthusiastic. Now, if you're really serious about your snack game, here's a pro move. Wait until the first round of service is over, and then ask if there are any extra snacks left over. Sometimes, they've got a whole stash in the back just waiting to be devoured. And if you're flying internationally, keep an eye out for self-serve snack stations. These are like little oases in the middle of a long flight. You can grab what you want, discreetly stuff your pockets, and get a little stretch in at the same time. Win-win. Alright, let's talk about the holy grail of airplane freebies, the extra meal. I know, it sounds too good to be true. But on international flights, especially long-haul ones, it's definitely possible. Here's the key. Timing is everything. Wait until everyone around you has been served their meal, and then politely ask your flight attendant if there are any extras. If they do, chances are they'll be more than happy to give you one. After all, who doesn't love a good leftover meal? Now, here's another trick. Pre-order a special meal. I'm talking vegan, vegetarian, kosher, whatever your dietary needs may be. These meals are often prepared in smaller batches and tend to be higher quality than the standard economy fare. Plus, they're usually served first, which means you get to avoid that post-meal bathroom rush. You're welcome. Free in-flight entertainment and hidden features. Gone are the days of staring at the back of the seat in front of you for hours on end. These days, most airlines offer some form of free in-flight entertainment, whether it's through seatback screens or their own app. We're talking movies, TV shows, music, you name it. But here's the thing. There are often hidden gems within these entertainment systems that most people don't even know about. Some airlines offer meditation apps to help you zen out during a stressful flight. Others have stretching guides so you can avoid those stiff muscles after hours of sitting. And some even have real-time flight tracking maps so you can channel your inner pilot and see exactly where you are in the world. It's like having a secret dashboard at your fingertips. So next time you're bored on a flight, don't just scroll through the same old movies. Explore the hidden features of the entertainment system. You might be surprised at what you find. Expedited deplaning. How to get off the plane first. We've all been there, stuck in that endless line of passengers waiting to get off the plane. But if you've got a tight connection to catch, every second counts. Here's a little secret. The flight attendants are your secret weapon. If you let them know as soon as possible that you're in a hurry, they can sometimes work their magic. They might be able to move you to an empty seat closer to the front or even let you deplane before everyone else. It's all about communication, people. Now, in some cases, if you're really lucky, they might even bump you up to premium economy or even business class for free if it means you'll make your connection. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's happened to me before. It's all about being polite, explaining your situation, and hoping for the best. Alright, let's talk about staying connected in the air. We all know that most airlines charge an arm and a leg for Wi-Fi. But here's the good news. Some airlines, like Southwest and Delta, actually offer free messaging through services like iMessage, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger, so you can still keep in touch with your loved ones on the ground without breaking the bank. But wait, it gets even better. JetBlue, you guys are killing it. They offer completely free in-flight Wi-Fi on all of their flights. That's right, you can browse the internet, stream your favorite shows, and stay connected without spending a dime. It's like a breath of fresh air in the often suffocating world of airline fees. So next time you're booking a flight, keep JetBlue in mind. Your wallet will thank you. Traveling with little ones can be expensive, but here's a little secret that can save you some serious cash. Many airlines allow kids under 2 to fly for free as a lap infant on domestic flights. That's right, no need to buy a separate seat for your tiny human. Just hold them on your lap and enjoy the savings. And if you're flying internationally, don't worry, there are still deals to be had. Airlines like Delta charge just 10% of the adult fare for a child under 2. That's a steal. And United Airlines even offers free entertainment kits for kids, complete with activity books, crayons, and puzzles to keep them entertained throughout the flight. It's the little things, people. We all know that airlines love to charge for seat selection these days, but here's the thing. There's a way around it. The key is to be on top of your game when it comes to checking in. Most airlines open their check-in window 24 hours before your flight, and here's the secret sauce. If you check in right when the window opens, you'll have your pick of the litter when it comes to free seats. That's right. You can snag that coveted aisle seat or make sure you're sitting with your travel buddies without having to shell out extra cash. Just set a reminder on your phone, be ready to go when that clock strikes, and get ready to score the best free seat on the plane. Airplanes can be freezing, am I right? But here's the thing. Most flights have a stash of extra blankets and pillows just waiting to be used. So next time you're feeling chilly, don't suffer in silence. Just ask your flight attendant for an extra blanket or pillow. They're usually more than happy to oblige. And if you're feeling under the weather, don't worry. Flight attendants are like walking first aid kits. They've got everything from pain relievers to motion sickness pills to bandages. So if you need something, don't hesitate to ask. Just remember, these are for in-flight use only. Don't try to sneak off with a whole stash of complimentary Advil. Let's be real. Airplanes are germ factories. And while airlines are supposed to clean those tray tables between flights, let's just say they don't always do the most thorough job. So it's always a good idea to bring your own sanitizing wipes to give your space a good once-over. But if you forget, don't worry. Flight attendants to the rescue. They usually carry extra sanitizing wipes and are more than happy to hand them out. Just ask nicely and they'll hook you up. After all, nobody wants to get sick on vacation. Okay, now for a little dose of reality. While there are still plenty of freebies to be had on flights, some things that used to be complimentary are now sadly extinct. Headphones, for example, are no longer a given on many airlines. So if you want to enjoy the in-flight entertainment, make sure to bring your own wired pair because those fancy Bluetooth ones won't work with the seatback systems. And here's another bummer, most airlines have gone cashless. That means you'll need to preload a payment method into their app or website if you want to buy any snacks, drinks, or upgrades during your flight. So don't forget to do that before you board, or you'll be stuck with just the freebies, which, let's be honest, are still pretty awesome. So there you have it, folks. My insider tips for unlocking secret freebies on your next flight. Remember, every airline is different, but you'll never get something for free if you don't ask. Be polite, be proactive, and don't be afraid to channel your inner bargain hunter. You might be surprised at what you can score without spending an extra dime. And if you really want to up your travel game, check out my next video, where I'll be sharing my ultimate flight comfort hacks to make economy class feel like first class. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until next time, happy travels.